Okay.
We're on the bike now. We're working, rocking to gain knee flexion. But one of the things that's really important is the alignment of the hip, knee, and ankle. And so typically, if we look from above, we want the knee right there at the top so that we can see that inside bone. Typically the knee, you got it, go ahead. The knee usually wants to collapse in to that angle, which is going to throw off the alignment. So part of your range of motion is going to come from optimal alignment, and keeping that knee a little wider than usual is going to help improve that alignment. Something else you can do, so when you get down to the bottom, stay in the bottom position. Your non-surgical leg is your driver, and just let this foot slide more so the pedal is in the middle of the foot, closer to the heel. And so that lets your driving leg kind of go a little more. And then just give me these little pulses. So we're going to stay down here. Your left leg is going to pulse. The right leg is just going to be in this position. Just like that. Keep that knee nice and wide. There you go. Let's do like 20 of those little pulses at the end of your range. What do you feel and where do you feel it?
Right through here. Just the pulse right here.
And so what's happening is when you're trying to bend the knee, the fluid that's in there is being pushed to the front. So that's part of why you feel that. The other reason why you feel it is, obviously you've got the superficial incision here and then the internal incision. As that front of the knee pressure builds, those incisions are still weak spots, and that's what feels like, I want to pop open.
Feel it right here too.
So doing this helps desensitize that a little bit, but it also helps promote stretch. And then just go back to the rocking now.